Listen to the story about Tom's typical weekend. Choose the correct variant in your test.
On Saturday morning, Tom always gets up early. He usually has a big breakfast with his wife and children. They eat eggs and drink tea. After breakfast, Tom goes to the gym. He likes to exercise and stay fit. In the afternoon, Tom and his family sometimes go to the swimming pool. They swim and play in the water. After swimming, they often have lunch at a café in town. They eat sandwiches and drink lemonade. In the evening, Tom and his family usually go for a walk in the park. They have a pet dog named Buddy. Buddy loves to run and play. After the walk, they arrive home and have dinner together. They eat pizza and salad. Once or twice a month, Tom goes to the mountains with his family. They leave early in the morning and arrive at the mountains by afternoon. They walk and enjoy the beautiful views. They usually have a picnic for lunch. In the evening, they get back home. Tom has a shower and finishes his work for the week. He often reads a book before bed. Tom loves his weekends. He knows that every week is different, but he always has a good time.